So yeah, this is from the typhoon right here. So this is all sand that's coming all the way up that way. So we're gonna show you a little bit of this beach, Cheoc Van, and it's evening time. I'll put the stamp and the date below. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, there was a typhoon, so it looks like it blew up all the sand. And so we kind of walked. Oh, that's kind of steep too. Yeah, actually that sand really came up. So yeah, we had like two typhoons in a row. So I guess that is all affected it right there. You see all the people all the way down. Cheoc Van, it's kind of up in the mountains too, so our lifesaver right there. Lifeguard. So yeah, this sand, I haven't really seen it up quite this high, and it looks like they haven't been able to remove it yet. And it looks like the sand has actually it did pretty well to get all the way up on there. And there's some picnickers. Yeah, that's up there quite a bit. Sheesh. I guess they need some shovels to get all that sand back down again. They have to push it all the way back this way. Okay, I can see why they... So we're just gonna walk down a little bit. Show you a little bit of Cheoc Van. It's a evening, and I think it's a Tuesday evening. Some beautiful palm trees. Some good music too. I think it's coming from right there. Okay. So yeah, the typhoon came maybe 2 of them last week. So all the sand is from that right there. We did some kayaking, so there's some kayaking. I didn't realize you could do kayaking off of this beach, but I guess you can. Oh, there's a seat right there. Giant car seat right there, eh? It's kind of funny that it's set up in that spot like that. Oh, there's a dog turd on it. Let's see. We'll climb up there. You can see a beach. You can see the... Yeah, that's too bad. There's a car seat right there, and there's a giant dog turd right there. Oh, gross. That's too bad, eh? Because that looks like that could be kind of comfortable to sit there and hang out. But not if it's like that. I haven't been up here before, so let's just take a look and see. We can see, here's a restaurant right here. This is the Italian restaurant. Can we come down on this side? Oh, yeah, I guess we can. We can step right there. And then here's a beach right there. Oh, a swimming pool. Come back around. So that's a little bit of Cheoc Van after the typhoon. There's our car seat up there. Okay, these guys are pushing the kayaking. So this video might be a little bit short, but you get an idea of Cheoc Van. There's 2 main beaches here, and one is called Haksa and Cheoc Van. So Cheoc Van is the bigger one, the smaller one, but more intimate, more accessible, I feel like. And then Haksa Beach is a lot bigger. Yeah, that typhoon came through and got tons of sand everywhere, like that. And this one, I think this property goes all the way up as well. So it goes all the way up into that way, so you can see, but it's all blocked as well. So cages, and you can't actually, nobody from the public can go up that way. Some nice apartment up there. nice though. Let's see what we're looking at right there. Okay. I guess we'll end it right there. Let's do this, go down and end a little bit. Somebody has to carry everything through, so let's just jump down one. Okay. Let's just kind of take a look up here. I don't know, I think this is a private residence. I guess we'll keep going down this way. I thought I was going to end it, but I'll just go down a little bit further. And some lifeguards up there. Okay, so that's Cheoc Van. So Haksa is the bigger beach. This one is a little bit more interesting in my opinion. And lifeguards are taking everything away. I guess the kayaking's from them as well. Okay.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.